Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: a working microphone and an updated Word version. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account so cloud speech models are available. Next, select the document and click Home, then Dictate. Grant microphone permission when Windows or Mac OS asks. Speak normally, pausing for punctuation commands. You're starting the live connection to Microsoft's voice service. This makes dictation more accurate. If you need a different language, change the dictation language from the dictate drop. Now you'll focus on precise control and punctuation so text comes out clean. You should speak punctuation words, period, comma, colon, or say new line to break lines. Pause briefly after commands. This prevents words from running together. If you need symbols, say % or $sign. Use the dictate menu to change language or disable auto-capitalization for acronyms. Practice short phrases, then longer sentences to build accuracy. That trains both you and the model for better results over time. To finish, click the Dictate button again to stop listening, then proofread. Use Editor and Spell Check to catch homophones. If dictation is mishearing you, make sure the microphone is selected and not muted, check app privacy and OS microphone permissions, and confirm you're online. If Dictate won't start, restart Word or sign out and back into your Microsoft account. A quick troubleshooting tip: toggle the microphone off and on in settings. Often this reinitializes drivers and resolves recognition failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.